Clara. Happy holidays, everybody. Kickstarting the holiday spirit with a beautiful little staycation here in Hollywood, Florida. What? Oh my gosh, look who's here. Look, she brought all these goodies. Oh my God, you did not. What is, no way. This is beautiful. What? Nelson, high fives. I love the photos. I love the videos. This is amazing. Let's go put this down and take a look at it. Everybody, Clara Madrid is a VIP. Hello, Ratiba. It is VIP power here. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everyone.
We're so happy.
So
Ratiba in France. Sean Renee, hello. Let's see what we have here. Oh my God, is this the beautiful Deluge?
We have Deluge, yes.
Okay, I gotta see what's in the Deluge. This is beautiful. The dual cleanser. Oh my gosh.
Yes. And
No.
2 new products for you to try.
Oh, little sneak peeks.
Yes, and this is for Mr. Lee.
No way, he got something in there. This is amazing. Okay, well, I'm doing a live first. We're saying hi to all of our friends online. I want to thank her. Everybody's watching this. Everybody's like, what is that? What is that? Isn't this place beautiful?
Oh my God.
Let's walk down that way while we're doing this live real quick. Let's go. Let's show everybody the fountain. Look at that. No, I want to do more videos with it. Let's go. All right, so Claire, you can walk with me. I am so happy to see this woman. Are you excited to finally connect after so long?
After so long, yes.
And the photos were amazing.
The photos were beautiful.
What
like I
Nelson?
can't.
Nelson's. This is the guy who is responsible for those wonderful photos, right?
Yes.
You made the magic.
You made the magic.
Makes the magic happen. Yes.
All right, let's go sit down over here and see the fountain. Love, right over here. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't it amazing? There's so much action here. There's so much activity. And look how beautiful you look. I'm so glad we made this happen. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna take another little video here, and then we'll do some photos. This is amazing. Oh my God, I love what you did here. This is fabulous.
Thank you.
This is amazing.
You need to go to Janet.
Okay.
Try this one.
Okay.
And you gotta tell me how it is.
Is that what she used on my face, the face mask?
No one has tried that one yet.
Okay, this is a new. Okay. Wow.
This is a cream to oil massage scrub.
Ooh. Oh my God, you're giving me chills. All right, guys, look. I want to show them this real quick before we sign off. Happy holidays, everyone, and Merry Christmas. And I want to thank Clara Madrid for being here. Love you so much. You're amazing. And we'll see you guys soon.
See you guys soon. Bye.
Ciao.